بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. سأبدأ إن شاء الله تعالى في حل الواجب الثالث والرابع لمادة الإيت 2-3 لعام 2015 السمستر الأول. فالسؤال الأول الذي أعطي كان عبارة عن a transmission line is carrying power from Yanbu and delivering it to a power substation in Medina al-Munawwara. The length of the transmission line is 220 kilometers. So the length of the transmission line is 220 kilometers أو 220 في 10 أس 3 متر. هذا المعطى الأول. المعطى الثاني, a transmission line carrying a power of 70 megawatts. So the active power is 70 megawatt أو 70 في 10 أس 6 watts. The voltage level is 132 kilovolt. So the voltage of the transmission line is 132 kilovolt في 10 أس 3 volt. The power factor of this system is 0.85 lagging. The conductor used in this line are made of aluminium and have a cross-sectional area of 9 centimeters squares. So the cross-sectional area of the aluminum is 9 في 10 والسالب 4 meter square. The resistivity of aluminium is about 2.82 times 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. At temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So the first thing asked in this question is calculate losses and efficiency of the line. Assume only losses in conductor and ignore the corona losses. So the efficiency of the line is the output power over the input power. Times 100. So we have the output power. The output power is 70 megawatt. The input power will be the output power plus the losses. To calculate the losses of the line, it's 3I square في R. So we need to find R. R is rho, which is the resistivity, times L over A. Rho is 2.82 times 10 to the power minus 8 times the length of the wire, which is 220,000, divided by the cross-sectional area, which is 9 times 10 to the power minus 4. So the resistance will equal to 6.89 ohms. So now the losses we need to find also the current before finding the losses. So the current will be power over square root of 3, because it's three-phase system, times the voltage times cosine theta, which is the power factor. So it's 70 times 10 to the power 6 divided by square root of 3 times 220 times the voltage, which is 132 132 times 10 to the power 3 times the power factor, which is 0.85. So the current will equal to about 360.2 ampere. So now we will find the losses. The losses is 3 times 360.2 square times the resistance, which is 6.89, and this will give me about 2.68 megawatt, which is 2.68 times 10 to the power 6 watt. So now we can find the efficiency. The efficiency is 70 megawatt divided by 70 mega plus 2.68 times 100, and this will give me 96.31%. To solve B, which is to calculate the money saved in 1 year. So the money saved in 1 year, we need to find that. By increasing the voltage from 132 kilovolt up to a voltage level of 220 kilovolt. So what will happen to the cost and to the losses? How much money will be saved, because increasing the voltage level will reduce the I2R losses in the transmission line. So the first thing is to find the current, which is again 70 mega divided by square root of 3 times the voltage, which is 220 times 10 to the power 3 times the power factor, which is 0.85, and this will give me 216.13 ampere. So we can see that the current reduced from 360 ampere up to 216 ampere. It's like 1/3 reduction in the current. So by reducing the current, the losses is 3 times 216.13 square times the resistance 6.89, and this will give me about 9.65 times 10 to the power 5 watts, or 0.965 megawatt, which is again less than 2.86 megawatt. So there was a huge reduction in the transmission line losses. So here we can find the efficiency again, and the efficiency is 70 megawatts divided by 70.965 times 100, and the efficiency is improved up to 98.64%. So the reduction in losses, I can find them. It's 2.68 minus 0.965 So there is like 1.71 megawatt reduction in the losses. So the money saved will equal to 1.71 times 10 to the power 6 times, I will put 10 to the power 3 because I want the kilowatt hour saved, times 365 number of days in 1 year, times 24, this is how many hours per day, times the cost of electricity, which is 10 halala, and that will give me about 1497960 Saudi Riyal, or I can say it's 1.5, approximately 1.5 million Riyal per year. This is money saved. So now we finished question number 1. We will go in the next video for question number 2. Thank you very much.